occurrence తర్వాత చెప్తాను.
Right. Uh, Today we will discuss this assemble to order cash cycle. Right. Now assemble to order cycle, we can now customer will place the orders for production parts. Now production parts means, see here, now it's a combination of different parts. You can make it as a single part. That part is going to, once based on the customer request, we are going to manufacturing. The company has manufacturing that part, and once manufacturing is over, after that we are sending the shipping to the customer. Right. See the what is the orders? What that customer has placed the order. That order, the parts are not available in inventory. Okay, at that time what will happen? They are going to manufacture that product, and again once manufacturing is over, means what? Finished goods. Once the finished good is ready, at that time we can ship the material to the customer. Again we can pick, release, ship, confirm, and finally we will get the invoice and we make the receipt, and finally we transfer to the general ledger. That is the process. Okay. Today I am not going to discuss this assemble to order parts, how to create the parts. Okay, it's already created parts I am going to using.
But Koti, like every class you say, like can you first go the main steps? Like for example, in OTC, we learned like first is create item, then assign it to ARC, assign quantity, check quantity, then create sales order, book sales order,
Correct.
pick something like that. So what is the starting step and the following steps for the ATO?
Yeah, sure. I will give this diagrammatically. Right. Now, customer, see, suppose, now here direct step is, first step is going to customer places the order in sales order level. Okay. Right. Now, select here, now customer place, sorry. Right. Customer place the order. Now, customer customer places the order. Okay. Now this order, customer is placed the order. Fine. Now what will happen? Give me a second. Right. Now customer is placed the order in sales order level. So after that, the items, what are the placed the order? What are the items he ordered? The items are not available. The items are not available in inventory. Okay. Now what are the customer? Now those items, those parts are not available, in inventory. It's not, stock is not available. Okay, the stock is not available in inventory. Once the stock is not available in inventory level, right? The stock is not available in the inventory. So, but they are not going to purchasing outside suppliers. They are going to manufacturing that. Now, what will happen? So, they are now, the company is ready to configuring configure or manufacture. The company has, now the company has ready to manufacture manufacture the parts. Okay, manufacture we can say it, or we can configure also we can say it.
in case of back to back, can they get the item from a supplier to their own inventory and then use it, or they don't do that?
In back-to-back order, I'm not getting it.
In the back to back order,
Uh-huh.
what we did if we don't?
See, that is a different scenario. That there is no manufacturing process. So directly they are receiving the material from the suppliers. They will assemble the parts and directly then they pack it and they will ship it to the customer. In back-to-back order, there is no production. Here it is going to the production. Now company has ready to manufacture that part. What is the part they are going? Customer is looking for that. That part is going to. They are going to manufacturing. Simple scenario. See, when you went off at that time, we are discussing about the car manufacturing. You book the car, but the car is not ready in market. Now the same order they send it to the company. Okay, the showroom guy send it to the company. Now company is based on your request, your order. They have started the manufacturing. Okay, now they will inform to the showroom guys what they will inform. This much waiting stage it will take. 3 months waiting stage or 4 months waiting stage they will take. Like that they will receive so many orders from different locations. Once they will receive based on those orders. Now they started the manufacturing all the cars or bikes or any automobile related parts. Okay, once they started the manufacturing, they are not going to buying some other company, right? See, you place the order for, suppose you place the order for Honda car. In Honda car, they are going to buying from different supplier. Anybody is going to ship them, supply that type of cars? No, right? There is no suppliers. Directly we need to manufacture that part. I mean car. Got my requirement, right? Hello?
Yeah, but so what I meant is, even though you are building the car, the tires or the steering or the engine, again you need to get it from the supplier. You are not from scratch each and every part that you need to make a car. You are not manufacturing, right? I mean to say, whether you are making a car, it needs like 10 parts. All 10 parts you are making it, you are not buying any additional material from a supplier. That is the scenario we are discussing.
That already I discussed. You are missing at that time.
Oh, okay.
Okay, give me a
Sorry,
second.
my-
Adam, you understood, right? What he is asking?
Yes.
Yeah, you can tell that already we discussed, right? It's see, so many suppliers are going to see this is 1600 plus parts are required for manufacturing that cars. Okay, the parts are coming from the parts are going to coming from different parts. Each department is going to arranging all the parts before going to assembling the any part. So the parts, the department is taking care of to arranging all the parts from the suppliers. Okay, the tires are coming from different supplier. The engine is coming from different supplier. The engine is one only. Suppose seats are coming from different suppliers. So all the departments heads are going to making the all the parts. What are the parts are required? They are going to arrange it before going to manufacturing. Okay. Clear now, Suresh?
Yes.
Okay. Now once they are arranging this all the parts, after that what they can do? Now they start the manufacturing. Now they are going to arranging all the things one by one. Now order is going to configurable. Now they created the work order for that. Let me go here. Now once the order is place the order, next we need to go to here and then we can select here configure the order. Configure the order line. Order line. Okay. Once you configure the order line, now automatically it is went out of the WIPO. Right. Once you configure, let me If I did here, how I am able to send it to you, right? Okay, fine. Now once you configure the order line, it is going to pop up to some other. Now it's asking to what are the parts are required for your now. Now here you can select what are the parts are required for your main part. See the combination you can select it. What are the parts are required? Select select the which type of parts are required. Suppose if you are going to buying the computer, at that time you can select which type of keyboard is required, what is the RAM size is required, what is the hard disk size is required. You can select the type of part, type of parts. Okay. Once you select the type of parts, after that you can click on save. Once you selected the parts, after that what will happen? Based on this, automatically the work order will create. After coming to sorry, let me see. Yeah. Now after once you selected the parts, after that we can progress your order. What is the main part is there, you can progress the order here. Progress the order. Once you progress the order, automatically it will ask supply eligibility. Once you progress the order, it's supply eligible for configure. Once you progress that particular part, it's supply eligible. It means the work in progress level, they are going to eligible. Your order is going to eligible for the configuring. Now, one second, right? Now, your order is eligible for the configure. If it is already set up for that one, it is automatically it is going to eligible directly supply eligible will be happen. If it is not happen in the inventory level, so configure it's your supply eligible for the configure. Okay, right, eligible for the configure, eligible for configure. Now once it's eligible for the configure, now that part, let me okay, right. Okay, once it's eligible for the configure, right. After that, we can raise the, now we can, that what is the assembled item is there, that item we can progress again. Now the main item is eligible for the configure. After that, what is the configured item is there, that item we can use it for the eligible for the supply. Again progress order for assembling item. progress the order line with assembling item, right. Once you are assembling the item, now once you progress, after that again now it's going to supply eligible. That item is going to supply eligible. Once you progress, after that we can supply eligible. This second. Now it is going to supply eligible. Here we can supply eligible. Supply eligible. Supply eligible. Now once supply eligible, automatically the workflow program will going to running in the background. Workflow means some some programs are going to running automatically. Now some programs are going to running. what are the programs are going to running. Some programs are created automatically in the background. Based on that programs, here we can automatically what work order will create. Okay, here I will write it. So some work order related programs are going to submitted. Work order related programs are submitted and will create the work order and created the work order work order. Okay, now work order is ready, sir. Now your work order is ready for what you are going to looking for that.
Koti, sorry to stop you here.
Okay.
Probably it will help Adam as well. See, forget about for time being Oracle terminology. Okay, in a layman's word, like the definition as it speaks, order to assemble to order. So yeah, that means I have 4 items. For example, I am taking only 2 items, maybe pen and a cap. I need to assemble, so put the cap to the pen. So that's it. My finished code is done. So in assemble to order, in a layman terms, when a customer places an order for a pen, so here in the configure the order line, select the type of the parts, progress the order. Are you saying that you are taking the pen and you are taking the cap and making sure that they are eligible to assemble? If they are eligible to assemble, you are just assigning to some person and he will just putting the cap on the pen and then he's packing it and he's saying that it is ready, or not an Oracle terminology. Okay. Is there anything else is in the process? Maybe that jargon I am not following it. So can you just give brief like
what you are asking, I got it. See, simply see, the pen and cap is means it's always unique, those two only. If you are going for the computer, at the time you have the options to choose, yes or no? See, you have the options to choose. Depends on your requirement. You are going to choose it. See, 4 GB RAM you can choose it, or 8 GB RAM you can choose it. Suppose if you go for a hard disk, it is going to 300 GB, 64 GB, 300 GB, 500 GB, now 1 TB or 1 TB up to available, right? Now we need to, based on your request, and they are going to choosing different parts. What are the parts are required? Configuring level. Before going to configuring, you need to choose what are the things are required for that. You are going to select that optional and mandatory parts are there. ATO model level and optional and mandatory parts are there. You are going to optional parts also, if you required, you can choose it. Once you choose and you can continue that step, at that time it's going to configure. Everything is going to configure. The set of toolkit is going to configure. Now, once after that, what will happen? Now, coming to sales order level. Now, the sales order is, but see, you configured, but it's not eligible. Okay, your item is configured. After that, you need to check that order is eligible for the configure. Okay, if it is eligible, what you selected, that those all are correct, then it is going to eligible. Once it's eligible, that assembling part number will come. The assembling part number will come. In the assembling part number level, again we can progress it. The part is eligible for the supplying. If it is eligible for the supplying, automatically work order will create.
Okay. Then
one second. Now the work order is ready. Based on that work order, the manufacturing part level, manufacturing level, in the division level, who are the workers are there? They are going to They are going to manufacturing. It's not manufacturing. They are going to manufacture like that only. It's so suppose what the parts are you selected, how it is going, what is the operation will come first, what is the operation come second, what is the operation come third, like that. The number of operations are there. They are going to making the product. Okay, suppose first operation is finished, they will complete it. Second operation is finished, they will close it. They complete it again. Like that, they are going to completing all. At the time, we are the workers we are going to calling as resources. In Oracle terminology, we are going to uh, uh, call as a resources. The resources are allocated for the different operations. Now, what are the parts you selected? They are going to assembling everything. They will close the work order. Now, first, one more thing, I missed it one here. Once the work order is ready, the work order level, how much quantity is asked the customer, how much quantity is required for the customer, the quantity you need to set it. And one more thing, you need to release the work order to the shop floor. The work order is raised, the work order is created. After that, you need to, it's unreleased work orders at that time. You need to release the work order from our database to it's to the shop floor. See, the work order is ready, but it's not going to the shop floor. Shop floor means manufacturing. The shop floor level only they will manufacture. Once you release that work order, it's going to the shop floor. In the shop floor level, based on the operations, based on the sequence of the operations, they will manufacture and they will complete that order. Once the order is finished, see suppose it's a big missions now at that time so many operations will come. It's the 1,000 operations also will come some parts. They want to know which operation is finished, which operation is pending. That is the reason they will close it the operation wise one by one, one by one, one by one. If it is finished, they will close it that one. If it is finished, next one they will complete it. Its close means completed. Now all operations are finished, the product is ready. Okay. After that, once product is ready, now they will pack it. Now work order, we are moving the data. Once it is ready, after that you can come to check. The link is there, configurator link is there, both. Now once it is finished, this is now coming to this order level, awaiting shipping will come. Understood? Awaiting shipping means it's ready to release the order. Correct, right? After releasing, after releasing, we can ship it. After shipping, we can send the invoice, and the invoice based on that receipt, and we will transfer to GL.
But Cody, in this whole process, one quick question. The second diagram where we say configure the order line. Okay, for example, in your analogy, whatever you are using analogy computer, I selected hard disk and I selected RAM. So select the parts here. RAM 8 GB, hard disk 1 TB. Okay, that is the part I selected. So these two parts with this configuration, are we going to manufacture it or we are picking already from our existing inventory? Here I'm selecting the hard disk of 1 TB terabyte and RAM of 8 GB. These two are also we are manufacturing or they are ready, but only we are picking to assemble to the next part. So after progressing, we are saying eligible for configure here.
Yeah. That is depends on company level. See, if it is see, sometimes already if it is heavy, they will configure directly, and the estimation time is going to change. That's my point, right? If it is not available, they will manufacture.
Okay.
And at that time, the estimation time is going to change it automatically. Okay. But what happened here it is, we are not going to give you our text instance level, the estimation timings and all, those all. Okay, the shipping date is there, right? Shipping date and the promise date is there in order line level. At that time, those two dates are going to automatically estimated. If it is product is available in our production level, Okay, just we will assemble it. If it is the parts are not available, we can manufacture and then again move into the departments and again they will assemble it.
Okay, got it. So that means here when we say select the type of parts, I used RAM, hard disk and RAM. So if the hard disk has 10 different configurations, 1 TB, 2 TB, 450 GB and RAM 246, all these things they will do it in configurator. So we have a connection from a configurator, and from configurator that the parts and their configurations are coming here when we say select the types of parts.
Suresh, give me a second. I am in the diagram level only. Once going to that application level, we will know that. Okay. Now work order related programs are submitted. Now work order is ready. After that, what will happen? Here work order is ready. Right. Now work order is ready only. Here work order is ready. Okay. Work order is ready. Now based on this work order, what we can do? We can, after that, we can release the order. Release the work order. Release to where? Yeah, release to where? Release the work order means what, sir? Already work order is available. Why we need to release? Release means releasing to shop floor. Okay, based on that order, release the work order, release to shop floor. Now, releasing level, here we can select the what are the operations are required for that. The work, the resources people are going to select these all the things. Now here it is going to select the all the operations. Select the all the operations. Operations. Once it is released, after that work order is released, after that we need to move this order into the shop floor. No, this also in that only. Okay, sorry, it's gone. This is, let me, okay, fine. Now we need to, once its work order is ready, after that we need to release the order, and next we need to move the order. Move the order to the shop floor. Move the order. Move the order. Don't worry, I will give you the complete steps again. Move the order. Once we are move the order, after that, yeah, finally once move the order, then complete the order. It's zigzag. Right. Once move the order, then we can complete the order. Again.
Yeah, this has so many steps compared to other cycles that we discussed.
No. This only less. Okay. Once it's complete the order. Once you complete the order. Complete the order. Once its order is completed, automatically you can able to see it's going to awaiting shipping in line level. Got my point, right? Yeah. Now next go to release the order. These steps we know already, right? Now going to release the order. Release the order. Shipping release the order. It's nothing but shipping module now. Release the sales order, not work order, sales order. Okay, sales order. Now we are, once we are released the order.
Pick relationship confirm.
Yes, pick. Sorry, I need to write the pick release sales order. Okay, pick release the order. Pick release the sales order. Once pick release happen, after that you can go into the ship confirm. Yeah. Once pick release the order and ship confirm. Then go to the ship confirm. Okay. Ship confirm. Ship confirm. Once ship confirmed, automatically AR invoice programs will run and the invoice is created. Yes or no?
Yes.
Now invoice is created based on ship confirm. After that, go to here AR invoice is created. Right now it's going to AR invoice is created. AR invoice is created. Once invoice is created. Now invoice is created. After that, sir, make the payment based on this invoice. Okay. Now after that, based on invoice, after that make the payment and send to receipt. You will get the receipt. Here you will get the receipt.
Gotcha.
Receipt and transfer to the receipt amount to journal. Right. Right. Now we are transfer the amount to journals. Transfer to GL. I will write it just GL. Okay. Right. Now transfer to GL. I hope we got it this scenario, but once we will see this navigations and how it is going to working, then we will get some clarity on that. This is the processor. Understood? Still we have any questions here? If you have a little bit confusions, once we will see this navigations and all. And right now I'm going to set up. Okay, let me save this. Right, ATO model. Right now,
Yeah, that's it.
right now, see here. I'm going to creating the sales order first. My customer is AT&T.
Order type, ship to, bill to are important things here.
Yeah.
Wow.
Okay. Operations and Oracle 1 to 3. Right. Once you logged in, now it's the this is now going to others. Here we can say this. It's a warehouse is M1, under M1 warehouse we are going to write it. Now going to lines. Here is the more important. In line level, we need to configure only ATO model items only. The parts, what are the parts we need to select? That is the ATO created models only. And next we will, in the coming classes, we will see how to create ATO items and PTO items and CTO items. We have different type of PTO means promise to order, and the CTO means configure to order. ATO means assemble to order. Okay, let me now I'm going to select already configured item here 80%. Right, 80222124 is a chase central right here. Now right, quantity only one quantity I required for here. The order number is 66421.
So how do you know that this is an ATO item in the inventory of an order management? It is checked as ATO, or how do
Yeah,
we know
yeah.
that we need to pick?
In order management level, we can enable that flag.
Okay, got it, got it.
Right. Now we can see. Did you observe up to all the classes in line level? Line level flow status code is booked. Did you observe any flow level? We finished.
Well, unless until we book the order, entered is there. Only when at this part before booking the order, both status are entered only.
Correct. That is entered only. After booking line level, did you observe any time it's booked? In line,
No.
it's entered now.
No.
Now the header level is entered. Now the line level is what? Entered. Right. Now I'm going to let me 1 second. Let me open code also. Right. Now I'm going to booking the order. Booked. Right. Now still not OE order header solve. OE order header solve. Right. Okay. Order has booked. Right. 66423. Now where order number equal to? Where order number 66423. Right. Your order header level is booked. Shall I go for line? Yeah.
Hey, Koti, how many more setups do we have to do? I have like a 5-minute thing I have to do. I can drop off for 5 minutes. You guys go on, then come back.
Okay, give me a second.
Because we just started the setup. I don't want to slow us down, but
Right. Yeah. Where we are in? We are in book the order. This is the header level we are booked. Line also we can see, sir. Status is booked.
Okay.
Okay. Header is booked. Line is booked. Now we got the headers and lines tables now. You can copy header ID and go to here.
Lines all.
Yeah. OE order lines are where header ID. Header ID this is. Now we can see the line level also. Now I am going to line level. I am going to line level. Are you able to see the configurator here? Click
Yes, I do.
Yeah, click on configurator. Automatically will kick off. It will automatically will open one more web page. Here we can select what are the combinations are required for you. Okay. What are the item I selected? 80222124. That is chassis central. Now this item having drive option classes, hard drive option classes, modem and RAM option classes. Total 4 items are there. Again, each item having optional items here. right? Disk drive option classes and CD-ROM option classes. Now again, this item having two parts again, floppy drive and disk. Now I am going to selecting the floppy drive 1.44 MB. Okay, once I selected this item, after that go to this CD-ROM options. Option class this is. Here we can CD-ROM 48 I selected here. No, let me, okay, fine. I selected this. After that, I'm going to next part. This is only right. Now in this part level, here a hard disk drive we need to select it. Here we can select how much GB size you want. We can select it into that much GB. Once this is done, now modem. What type of modem is required? Now the type of modem we can select it here. Okay. Now once you selected that modem, after that finally RAM options we are going. Here we can select which type of RAM you want. This is 64 MB. This is the old parts, sir. It's long back configured items. Now it's all latest versions are. Now I selected what are the things are required there. Now I'm going to preview the configuration. Now once you look the preview configuration, these are the things you selected here. Got it? Once this translation is complete, configuration is complete, you can finish it. Once click on finish, done.
So before booking the order or after booking the order, we are doing the configuration.
Yes, correct only. Without booking, how you can configure? Now you see this. So many parts are coming in lines level, right? See this. All lines are coming. Here we can in this lines level. The total order value is 1144.91. Now this is the main item we selected, right? Now this item is configuration is eligible or not, we need to check. Already we configured, create configuration eligible. Yes, it is going to eligible. Once it is eligible, one more configuration item will come. Yeah, it's now I clicked on OK. Now it's running background.
This part I didn't understand. So it's already a configured item. That's why we chose it. Then why we need to again select this as a configurable item?
See what is the what we are going to choosing that is going to valid or not. We are checking.
Oh, okay.
Give me seconds. Right.
So
Now yeah. Now go to lines and look this. This is the configured item is coming. Based on this item, they are going to now supply eligible. See this configured item. Oh, what happened? Something is happening in my mission here. Automatically, it is going to close everything. Let me again open one more time. Let me give me a second. Right. I don't know. Sometimes unexpected closing is happening. Right. Right. Now, what is order number? We know, right? We can go and look once again.
Yeah. It's an SQL developer.
Yeah. If you don't know also, you can get it. No problem.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, you're right. Go to the order or sales order organizer and some order summary. Pick a date and then you can take it.
Right. Order organizer. Then we can go to order organizer. You don't know, right? Order date. You can know that. Yeah, today date. Now you can find.
Very first one is.
Yeah. Now we can open that. Now we can look the lines. Now the line level, the configured item is supply eligible. Yes or no? See the status. The configured item is supply eligible. Now we can progress this order. Again, now create supply order eligible. Now it's supply eligible. Now we are going to, yeah.
Koti, 1 minute. So first we have only 1.1. This is our main order item that we ordered.
Yeah.
Okay.
From that order, I am going to see. I am going to running the configured, eligible for the configured. Automatically, it is going to create the configured item. It's
So
not
that
going,
means it has created one more entry, correct?
yes. Automatically,
Okay,
it is created. That order we are going to supply eligible. If you are supply eligible, now already submitted the some workflow background programs. It's not workflow.
Okay, wait. I got that. So that means, can you go back to the line item? So whatever the shipping eligible, that configured item is there. So the rest of the items 1.1.1, 1.1.2, all these items are part of 1.1.0. That is a parent element, and these are all part of that parent element.
Correct. This is the main element. See, ATO 22124 into 219,995. Okay, this is the combination it's created, configured item. Now we are supply eligible. This is, they are going to packing everything in this item level.
Got it.
Okay.
Got it.
Now we can see this work order will create automatically supply eligible. Now it is going to picking two programs, auto create final assembly. Final assembly orders. Final assembly orders, what will happen? It is going to creating the work order. And assemble to order mass load report also. It's sending the data into order management to the WIP, work in progress. Got my point, right? Now you will get the work order number here. Yeah, it's completed. Now we can able to see the view output. Sorry. The mass load level we can see here. It's created and we can able to see the work order number here. Yeah, job number. Ship to job number. Job number is nothing but a work order number. Right. Here we can see the remaining all the information also. Okay. This is order number is coming and this is the job number. Based on this assembly number also coming, right? That is going to create the assemble. Right, you are going to one more new line is coming asking, right? It's going to assembling all the things. Assembly number is coming here, assemble number. Now you are selected this job number here and go back to shipping, where we are going to look the shipping. Now WIP discrete jobs. Now that organization is M1. Now I am going to give the job number here and click on find. Now this job is not released, sir. This is the job created. Now this job is class is discrete. The assembly number is this is. Okay, now we are going to status is unreleased. We are trying to releasing the job to shop floor. We are going to releasing to this order to shop floor. Now here we can see some components and all. Okay, oh sorry. We can see in once released, then we can see. Let me close. Right now, right, I save the work here. Right now here we can see this bill and routing information, job history. This is all information. This is the job number. Now I release the order, work order. Once I release the work order, now we can move this order to shop floor. I release the order. After that, we are moving the material movement to shop floor. Now, sorry, move transitions. We are moving this transition to work that shop floor level. Enter the job number here and click on find. Here is the sequences. How to configure. This item is there, right? your order. This is the we are going to choosing the parts, different parts. Now the sequence already created. First see this assembly, first assembly, second assembly, third assembly, fourth is the testing, fifth is the packing, sixth is the packing, final packing. Understood? Okay, here we can select the first sequence is 10 and the last sequence is 60. This is the order. Our part is going to, they are going to manufacture. See this, first the department is, first one department is assembly. Once assembly is done, the second final department is packing. The step is first Q level is there. It's a final to move. Once it's done, to move. Okay, what is the quantity we are going to order? For one quantity. Okay, clear these steps here. Now we can save the work here. Now this, once this all the things are done, they will complete the order. Give me a second. It is going to saving the record. Say assembly number we are coming to here. The assembly number we can see. Based on this assembly number only, they are going to assemble everything. Yeah, it's no.
Those sequences, right? Assemble to packing, in between testing is there.
See,
that is also
shop floor transactions completed. Okay. Tell me.
Those department sequences, right? Assemble, then testing, packing, the queues, whatever. Those are also Oracle inbuilt, or we need to, as a functional consultant, we need to change those or configure those, set up those.
The setups we need to set up, sir. What is the step is required first? What is the step is required second, or like that we need to arrange. We need to set up all the things. It's what are the item I selected, that is already configured one. Okay, if your items are coming, see this is a text instance, right? So you now material transitions, you need to set up all the things. We will see later those all. Okay, now we need to complete the transition. Now I am going to completing this transition. Once that assemble part is done, after that I am trying to completing the transition. Okay, next go to, what is the quantity for that? One quantity we have selected. Yes, this assembling part is completed. Yeah, now complete, now done. Click on final complete, done. Right, it's completed now. Let me check now order line. Now order organizer, and then we go to here. Right, click on file. Yes. Now open. What is the line status, sir, now? Hello.
Awaiting shipping.
Yes. See this, awaiting shipping. Okay. Now next step, you know, right? Awaiting shipping. Did we create any deliveries here? Did we create any deliveries up to?
No.
Only ready to release. Okay. Now we can release the order. How to release? We know the work order number, right? We have the work order number here. Now we can release the order. Here we can go to now shipping. Now going to shipping. Release sales orders, release orders. Now I'm going to releasing. It's the standard. Okay, standard. Okay, the basic rule is standard. I'm going to giving as a order number here. Right. But now click on execute. In the shipping,
No, but
in the
that's
shipping,
what shipping and inventory. Inventory we don't need to do, right?
no. Auto create delivery, auto pick confirm, both are else. It's auto created
Okay.
delivery. Delivery will create this program. Auto pick confirm is going to, once it's the delivery is confirmed, after that pick is going to pick released. Pick released and pick confirmed. This is in inventory level. Auto allocation. Allocation is going to inventory only. See, auto allocate. Inventory level they are going to allocate at that amount. It's coming from the one warehouse. Okay. Total how many programs are submitted? 3 programs will submit here. Execute now. Right. See, quick release online completed successfully. Done. Now we can go to view, request. Now what is the line status, sir? Once it's a pick slip report and shipping exception report, both are called. Once it's completed normal, then we can pick confirmed. The line status is going to pick release, after that pick confirmed. Now deliveries are created.
Stage.
Now see, if you want to see the deliveries, now go to orders, order returns. Now you can put your order number, click on find. Now go to actions, additional line information. Here we can see the deliveries. Yeah, see this. Delivery status is staged and pick confirmed. You want to see the delivery view details? Yeah, see here. Now the material is available in staging area. Now we are going to shipping. It's now what is the ordered item? This is. It's not coming everything. Only the assembled order number only come. Okay.
Yes.
Now once this is done, is it invoice is created up to? No, right? No invoice is created. Now we can ship confirm that. I'm going to ship confirming now. Right. Now go to shipping and transactions. Yeah. Oh, this is the problem that is going to happen. Oh, unnecessarily I clicked this. Okay, let me go. Yeah. What is our order number? Already we have that order number. Right. We can put this order number. Now click on find. Now this is the order we have. What is the line status? Staged and pick confirmed. What is the next status? Ship confirmed. Right. Now go to deliveries. Here we can see the delivery, right? Right. Delivery is open only. As of now, is there any path by step? Is there any strip stops are created? No. Once you ship to confirm is happen, then that is shipping.
That is what it is, Koti. When I was doing that order to cash, right?
Yeah.
Whatever the customer I check, by path by stop, what it is doing is first it is going to the Boston. From Boston it is going to the California. That's why even then doing the shift confirm, it's showing an error. There is nothing on delivery. Maybe that is because of the path by stop.
No. That is because of your selected ship to location and bill to locations are it's wrongly selected for customers maybe.
No, I just selected the customer, whatever it is there in that vision tenant, but I didn't change though.
Let me check once, sir. It's as of now there is no path by, there is no path by trip. Okay, now I'm going to deliver that. Delivery is there, ship confirm. Once you ship confirm, in this some programs are automatically going to create bill of lading. bill of lading is created and close the trip is going to submitted, create delivery for the standard quantities is going to submitted. Some programs we can see these all. Right. Delivery was successfully confirmed. Right. Now we can go and view and the programs. Right. See this. Bill of lading report, packing slip report, commercial invoice, vehicle load sheet details, interface stuff. All are going to submitted automatically. Right. All are completed. Now, still any invoice is created?
No.
So what is the line status?
Now shipped.
Let me go to orders and order organizer. You can paste your order number here and click on find. Yeah, actions, additional line information. Click on here. Yeah, delivery is shipped and closed. Delivery status is closed. Pick status is shipped. Right. Is there any
Yeah.
invoices here? Let me click. It will take a little bit time.
ఒకటి మీరు సింగిల్ అండి పెళ్ళయిందండి?
Yeah, got married, yeah.
ఓకే. అలా అయితే